Welcome back to another section of delicious combo. Watch this video and see how I did this okwa with macaroni, that is breadfruit. So first and foremost, you have to start by putting your breadfruit in a pot, add water and cover, and then allow it to boil. You have to really allow it to boil so that the water will reduce. Then add your potassium. Once the water is reduced, turn it together and then allow to cook again. While the okwa is cooking, I just in another pot cooked my macaroni. Then add oil in a different pot, add your onions, and then fresh tomatoes comes in. Make sure that you turn it evenly. Add your calabash, nutmeg, curry, and nutmeg. Okay, at this time you can add a little bit of seasoning cube. Then go back to the pot, add the cooked macaroni into the okwa that you've already cooked. Please allow the okwa to get cold a little bit before adding the macaroni. So I just added the macaroni here. I'm turning it, so that everything will be mixed. I'm adding the remaining seasoning cube. Add the fried tomatoes that you fried. Turn it together. It doesn't take much of your time. Once it is turned together, your food is done. This is the okwa macaroni combo. And then add a little bit of the tomatoes if you like. If you don't like, you can eat it direct. This is delicious. Delicious is an understatement. Thank you for watching.